In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply white mastic on your flat roof. I'm going to also show you a special tip we use to make sure that that job is going to last a lot longer than it usually does.
Bring it on!
The first thing you want to do is make sure that that joint, the area that you're going to apply your mastic, is going to be nice, dry, and clean. We've already broomed it, used the blower to blow off any dust, and now we're ready to apply our mastic. When we say mastic, it might not be the correct term. This is a white acrylic-based sealant. However, the common term amongst us roofers is white mastic. We use an APOC product, but you can use a product of your choice. We like using a 2 or 3 inch brush as opposed to a trowel. You can scoop it up like you would a trowel and just use a brush to apply it on. Generally, when applying any type of mastic, less is more. You don't want to go on too thick. You want about 1/8 of an inch in the center and feather it down at the ends. Now, what's really going to help this repair last for many more years than it usually would is this simple piece of fabric. This is a polyester fabric used to reinforce white mastic. Similar when to applying black mastic, we use a black webbing. This is a polyester fabric that's embedded. This is a similar polyester used in acrylic systems. And we're just going to place this on, lightly get that in place with our fingers. And then before applying any new mastic, you want to use your brush to embed that in fully. You want to make sure there's no air pockets or voids when applying this in. Once you've got that nice and saturated, we want to put a thin coat of mastic on top of that. One thing you want to avoid is this fabric showing, because this fabric will start deteriorating if left exposed. One thing to keep in mind when using white mastic is acrylics don't do well in ponding water, nor do they do well if there's any expected rain or heavy moisture in the next few days. If there is, you want to make sure to use a black or a silicone-based mastic. There you have it. If properly done, white mastic is a great solution. In the right time and place, this repair and this application will last you for up to 10 years.